Who are they? Kinsa may gamiton sa distractions. Member of the family, see? Maybe the husband, maybe the wife, maybe the son, maybe your loved ones. Sila ang pagagamiton. Labi na ng imong hinigugma. But I tell you, kanang mga distractions nga akong nabati na sinatian karon, I will never stray from difficulties because I know my standing to the Lord. I keep on fighting the goodness of God. You will never distract me because I always believe, always think this, that no one can put down in a good man because that man strengthened and empowered by God. Nalapakan na to, Diyos.